Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're kicking off a brand new series, HSK Level 1, Lesson 1. This is perfect for absolute beginners. We'll go through some of the most fundamental Chinese words one by one. I'll show you the character, say the pinyin, give you the English meaning, and then use it in a simple sentence so you can see how it works. Ready? Let's get started. First up, we have the character for love. This is pronounced I. It's a verb. For example, you can say, what I ni, which means I love you. A very useful and beautiful word to start with. Let's say it together. Great. Next, we have the number 8. This character is pronounced ba. It's a numeral. In Chinese culture, the number 8 is considered very lucky because it sounds similar to the word for to prosper. A simple example is what? Yo ba ji pingguo, which means I have 8 apples. Let's practice ba excellent. Now for a family member. This is how you write father or dad. It's pronounced baba. It's a noun. Notice the repeating sound, which is common for family terms in Chinese. To say my dad, you would say wa di baba. Let's try it. Baba. Very good. Moving on, let's learn a common household item. This is the word for cup or glass. It's pronounced baisi. It's a noun. You might say ja shu yi j baisi, meaning this is a cup. Let's say it out loud. Baisi. Perfect. Our final word for today is a very famous place. This is Beijing, the capital of China. It's a proper noun. If you want to say I am in Beijing, you would say W Zai Beijing. Let's practice the pronunciation Beijing. Fantastic job. All right, let's do a quick recap of the 5 words we learned today. We had I for love, ba for the number 8, baba for father, baisi for cup, and Beijing for the city of Beijing. That's it for our first HSK1 lesson. How did you do? Don't worry if it feels like a lot at first. The key is consistent practice. Rewatch this video, write down the characters, and try saying the sentences out loud. Little by little, you'll build a solid foundation. Thanks for watching today. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.